Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn how sharing makes everything more fun. Let's get started. One morning, Adi and his friends went to the park for a picnic. Each of them brought their favorite food. Adi had a sandwich, Riya had some fruit, and Dev had cookies. When they started eating, they all wanted to try each other's food. Riya said, "Let's share our food so we can try everything." They put their food together and made new creations. Adi added fruit to his sandwich, and Riya added cookies to hers. Dev wanted to try everything, so he combined a sandwich, fruit, and cookies into one big bite. "This sandwich is the yummiest," said Dev. Adi and Riya laughed. They had the best picnic ever. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. Trying new things can lead to fun experiences. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.